I think the departments are raising the profile of equality and diversity really well. I think there's a lot more visibility to it.
I have a voice, you're giving me a voice, so that's really nice.
If we look at the detail of the history of geography in Britain, then we can see that women have played a very significant role in it, particularly as it emerged as a sort of professional discipline, an established discipline within the universities from the late 1800s on.
Tell you a bit about the course itself, and then I'm going to offer a kind of series of reflections.
In the same way that we do research-intensive teaching at this university, thinking about how to do research-intensive equality and diversity work.
So my research around refugees and refugee living conditions is close to home in a personal sense as well.
On behalf of the British Muslim population that resides in the bottom 10% local authority districts for deprivation.
Issues in relation to appointments within individual departments.
I think it's really important that within scholarship, within research, within public bodies of knowledge, that we bring different perspectives to different subjects.
If we have people from Africa and people from England, they don't have the same culture, so you mustn't think for them. You have first to ask them which activities you could do in order to bring them with the other people from the other countries, and I think in this way you will help them be united again.
I am an equality and diversity champion. I think the main issue with equality and diversity is the lack of awareness of it. So obviously days like this are really good for helping to improve awareness.
Flexible working is something that's really important to both young male and female academics, with increased caring responsibilities being shared, not just for family but for some parents and even partners as well.
I think raising student voices, undergraduate and postgraduate voices, will be important.
This morning I've been very interested to meet local artists who are pulling together research that's going on at the university and looking at it from a different perspective, and I've been thinking about ways of how I might be able to work with them in the research that I'm doing at the moment.
My name's Shaheen Ahmed and I'm a visual artist based in University of Birmingham. I work with paper and maps, and I was just engaging with students and asking them where they are hoping to go and research. I think a lot of the academics majority of them are male, so it was looking at female empowerment. This kind of work, what I like.
And part of our process is to identify leaders in those groups, community leaders who can help us with access to that community, to engage with them and then to begin to listen to what they have to say.
So this sort of issue around community trust and communication, I think, is actually really critical to a successful outcome.
I think that it is changing. The proportion of female undergraduates in geography and even earth science is about 50-50. But I think that, I suppose, historically, quite a few of the senior roles have been filled by sort of male academics, and it traditionally has been quite difficult for women to go for promotion and be successful in promotion. But I think it is changing. So I think it's an historical legacy of posts being filled and very few posts being available.
Has been when we've been able to pull together academic credibility and insight into the kind of, meaningful and worthiness of what people are trying to do. I mean, we all accept the principle of equality and diversity. We all know we want it to happen. So enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you very much.